Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome to our channel. Today, we will show you a collection of wood light fixtures craft project ideas for modern interior home decor and for income generation. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Creating wood light fixtures as a craft project offers an exciting opportunity for artisans to merge functionality with modern interior design, while also generating income through unique, handmade products. One compelling idea is to design minimalist pendant lights that embody the principles of contemporary aesthetics, emphasizing clean lines and simplicity. Utilizing materials such as plywood or hardwood, artisans can create geometric shapes, think cylinders, cubes, or even more abstract forms that can be suspended from the ceiling to serve as focal points in dining rooms or kitchens. These fixtures can feature LED bulbs that not only provide energy efficiency, but also allow for various color temperatures, enhancing the ambience of the space. The appeal of minimalist design lies in its versatility. Such fixtures can seamlessly integrate into a range of interior styles, from Scandinavian to industrial, making them attractive to a broad customer base. Moreover, incorporating reclaimed wood into light fixture designs adds an element of sustainability that resonates with environmentally conscious consumers. By using salvaged timber, artisans can create stunning fixtures that carry a story, showcasing the wood's unique textures and imperfections. For example, a reclaimed wood chandelier can be crafted by assembling various pieces into a striking, organic form that highlights the natural beauty of the material. This not only provides a beautiful lighting solution, but also positions the artisan as a creator committed to sustainable practices, which can be a significant selling point. Customers are increasingly drawn to products that reflect their values, and a well-crafted reclaimed wood light fixture can serve as a conversation starter, highlighting the artisan's craftsmanship and environmental awareness. In addition to pendant lights and chandeliers, wall sconces present another lucrative avenue for creating wooden light fixtures. These fixtures can serve dual purposes as both decorative elements and functional lighting sources, ideal for hallways, bedrooms, or living spaces. By designing sconces with the addition of wooden backplates and unique lamp holders, artisans can create pieces that enhance the overall decor while providing soft, ambient lighting. Using a mixture of wood types can create contrast and visual interest, allowing for more creative freedom in design. Additionally, these sconces can be integrated with smart lighting technology, enabling users to control them via mobile apps or voice commands. This modern twist not only attracts tech-savvy consumers, but also positions the artisan's work at the intersection of traditional craftsmanship and contemporary innovation. Another exciting project idea is the creation of wooden table lamps that embody modern design principles while offering practicality. Artisans can experiment with different shapes and sizes, from sleek, cylindrical bases to more sculptural forms that serve as artistic statements. The lampshades can also be uniquely designed, allowing light to filter through in interesting patterns. For instance, a wooden lamp with a laser-cut shade can project intricate shadows onto the walls, enhancing the ambience of any room. This project provides ample room for creativity, enabling artisans to experiment with finishes and colors, ensuring that each piece is not only functional, but also a stunning addition to any modern interior. By offering customization options, such as different wood finishes or personal engravings, artisans can cater to individual tastes, further broadening their market appeal. Dear viewers, are you enjoying our today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The trend of biophilic design, which seeks to connect people with nature, can also inspire wooden light fixture projects. Artisans can incorporate elements like live plants or natural fibers into their designs, creating fixtures that bring a touch of the outdoors inside. For example, a pendant light that features a small planter attached could serve as both a light source and a living element that enhances the home's decor. This approach not only meets the growing consumer interest in greenery within living spaces, but also allows artisans to create multifunctional products that stand out in a competitive market. By merging lighting with nature, artisans can offer unique solutions that resonate with an audience eager for innovative, aesthetically pleasing designs that foster a sense of well-being. As artisans continue to explore the possibilities of wood light fixtures, the integration of modern technology can elevate their projects even further. Designing fixtures that incorporate wireless charging capabilities for smartphones or other devices can add significant value and appeal. Imagine a wooden bedside lamp featuring a built-in wireless charging pad. This multifunctional design not only provides light, but also meets the demands of today's tech-driven lifestyle. Such innovative features can attract a customer base willing to invest in high-quality, thoughtfully designed products that simplify daily routines. By combining traditional woodworking skills with modern technology, artisans can create products that are not only beautiful but also practical, enhancing their marketability. The art of customizing wooden light fixtures can serve as another avenue for income generation. Offering personalized designs, whether through bespoke sizes, finishes, or engravings, can create a unique selling proposition that sets artisans apart from mass-produced alternatives. For instance, creating a series of lamps that can be personalized with family names or significant dates can appeal to customers looking for meaningful gifts or home decor. This level of customization fosters a deeper connection between the artisan and the consumer, encouraging repeat business and word-of-mouth referrals. Moreover, artisans can consider developing a line of products that cater to specific occasions, such as wedding gifts or housewarming presents, further expanding their market reach. Collaboration with interior designers and architects can also open new avenues for artisans specializing in wooden light fixtures. By partnering with professionals in the field, artisans can gain access to larger projects where their creations can be featured in high-end residential or commercial spaces. These collaborations can lead to commissions for custom pieces tailored to specific design concepts, allowing artisans to showcase their work in prominent settings. Additionally, participating in local craft fairs or home and garden shows can provide exposure to potential clients and create networking opportunities with other artisans and designers, fostering a supportive community that encourages creative growth. In terms of marketing, utilizing social media platforms can be a powerful tool for woodworkers to share their creations and connect with a wider audience. By showcasing the process of crafting wooden light fixtures, from initial designs to final installations, artisans can engage potential customers and build a following. High-quality images and videos that highlight the intricate details and craftsmanship involved in each piece can attract attention and generate interest. Engaging with followers through storytelling about the materials used, the design inspiration, and the artisan's journey can create a sense of authenticity that resonates with consumers. Moreover, leveraging platforms like Etsy, Instagram, or Pinterest can connect artisans with individuals seeking unique, handmade decor, providing a direct channel for sales and growth. Creating wooden light fixtures offers a wealth of opportunities for artisans to explore modern interior design while generating income through their craft. From minimalist pendant lights and reclaimed wood chandeliers to functional table lamps and innovative smart fixtures, the possibilities are vast. By embracing sustainability, technology, and personalization, woodworkers can create unique, high-quality products that appeal to a diverse customer base. As they engage with design trends and explore creative avenues, artisans not only elevate their craft, but also contribute to the growing appreciation for handmade goods in contemporary decor. The journey of crafting wooden light fixtures is not just about illuminating spaces, it's about bringing artistry and innovation into homes, fostering connections between people and their environments. and carving a niche in a thriving market that values quality, creativity, and craftsmanship. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our handpicked for wood light fixtures craft project ideas for modern interior home decor and for income generation. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.